From designing resilient architectures to optimizing cloud performance, take the first step toward mastering the world's leading cloud platform. This course is built to prepare both professionals and aspiring architects for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect associate exam while developing real-world skills in designing and deploying scalable, secure, and cost-effective solutions on AWS. You'll gain hands-on experience with key AWS services like EC2, S3, RDS, VPC, Lambda, IAM, CloudFormation, and more, learning to build high-availability systems, implement best practices, and architect solutions that meet business and technical requirements. As cloud computing continues to transform industries, AWS remains the most in-demand platform, with over 30% market share globally. Certified professionals are highly sought after for roles such as cloud architect, solutions architect, DevOps engineer, and cloud consultant. By the end of this course, you'll be fully equipped to pass the certification exam and apply your skills in real-world cloud projects. Whether you're upskilling for career growth or enabling your team for cloud adoption, this course empowers you to architect with confidence on AWS. Enroll now